Hey guys, so you remember this model? I made this a little over a year ago for last Valentine's Day, and it's the Hardbot Corgi, and it's been very popular. It's still a free model and it will remain so, don't worry about that. But I wasn't too happy with the way it had the gap between the front paws and the belly, and also that the original Corgi model that I used here wasn't my own. It was a free print I found on Thingiverse that was with a license that allowed you to redo it, and as long as you kept it for free. So that's why this print will always remain free. But I redid. Now I made Nugget not long ago, so here it is. Here's Nugget, and he now has a flexible belly, and it just prints flat on the bed like this, and it works so well with this funny harmonica motion, and I really love this version. This is a 50% version, by the way. It's printed in this really, really beautiful purple green filament. Really, really beautiful. Really flexible. Prints so easy and fast. This one took a little over 3 hours to print at 50%. And I also have the 100% model here, which also works really, really well, and it's really a super fun print to make. So, what do you guys think? Should I make this a commercial sellable version? Would you guys print it if I did? Let me know. Take care. Bye-bye.